బై which way స్టూడెంట్స్ లెర్న్ ఫాస్ట్ అండ్ మ్యాక్సిమం. విద్యార్థులు అత్యంత వేగంగా మరియు ఎక్కువగా ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటారు? The correct answer is option D, doing by themselves. When students actively do tasks, they understand better. Practice gives real experience. A teacher should give activities, not just lectures. Which of the following is the noble profession? ఈ క్రింది వాటిలో గొప్ప వృత్తి ఏది? The correct answer is option B, teaching. Teaching shapes future generations. A good teacher builds society. That is why it is called a noble profession. Next question. What is your attitude towards students with learning difficulties? నెమ్మదిగా నేర్చుకునే విద్యార్థుల పట్ల మీ వైఖరి ఏమిటి? Correct answer is option C, be kind. Every child learns differently. A kind teacher builds confidence. Support helps students improve slowly. To reduce absenteeism in the class, the teacher should. తరగతిలో గైర్హాజరు తగ్గించడానికి ఉపాధ్యాయుడు ఏమి చేయాలి? The correct answer is option D, motivate students. Students attend classes when they feel interested. Motivation creates curiosity. A happy class reduces absenteeism. Next question. While selecting learning experiences for curriculum development, the most important factor is. పాఠ్య ప్రణాళికలో ముఖ్యమైన అంశం ఏది? Answer option B, learners' interest. Education is for students. If lessons match their interest, learning becomes easy. A good teacher always thinks about the learners first. Teaching is బోధన అంటే ఏమిటి? The correct answer is option C, both an art and science. Teaching needs creativity and methods. A teacher uses both to explain clearly. Effective teaching results in. సమర్థవంతమైన బోధన ఫలితం ఏమిటి? The correct answer is option A. True teaching is not marks but understanding. When students understand concepts, learning becomes permanent. Relationship between syllabus and curriculum. సిలబస్ మరియు కరికులం మధ్య సంబంధం ఏమిటి? The correct answer is option B. Syllabus is part of curriculum. Curriculum is a big, includes goals, methods, activities. Syllabus is only topics. So syllabus is a small part. Next question. Education for children outside the school system is known as. పాఠశాల బయట ఉన్న పిల్లలకు ఇచ్చే విద్య ఏమిటి? Answer is option A, non-formal education. Non-formal education helps those who cannot attend school. It is flexible and useful for all ages. A teacher should be committed to. ఉపాధ్యాయుడు ఎవరికి నిబద్ధత కలిగి ఉండాలి? Answer option B, the learner. Students are the center of education. A teacher's main duty is to help learners grow. Next one, coordinated development of quality teacher education is the mandate of. ఉపాధ్యాయ విద్య నాణ్యత అభివృద్ధి బాధ్యత ఎవరిది? Answer is option D, NCTE. NCTE controls teachers' education quality. It ensures proper training for teachers. The more appropriate evaluation procedure at the end of the year is. సంవత్సరం చివరిలో సరైన మూల్యాంకనం ఏది? Answer is option B, summative evaluation. Summative evaluation checks final performance. It is done at the end of the course. Excessive use of technology in teaching will make a learner టెక్నాలజీ ఎక్కువగా ఉపయోగిస్తే విద్యార్థి ఎలా మారుతాడు? The correct answer is option C, robot. Too much technology reduces thinking. Students may depend on machines instead of thinking independently. Teaching is considered to be an effective process only if it is results in. బోధన సమర్థవంతం అవుతుంది ఎప్పుడు? Correct answer is option D, achieve conceptual clarity. Understanding concept is the main goal. Marks are temporary. Knowledge is permanent. If teaching results in learning outcomes, బోధన వల్ల అభ్యాస ఫలితాలు రావాలంటే ఏమి అవసరం? The correct answer is option B. Teaching should be effective. Good teaching leads to learning. The focus should be on clear and simple teaching. Best way to motivate students is. విద్యార్థులను ప్రేరేపించడానికి ఉత్తమ మార్గం ఏది? The correct answer is option D, encouraging curiosity. Type of communication used in classroom. తరగతి గదిలో ఉపయోగించే కమ్యూనికేషన్ రకం ఏది? Answer option A, face to face communication. Teacher and student interact directly. It helps better understanding and feedback. If many students are slow learners, teacher should. చాలా మంది విద్యార్థులు నెమ్మదిగా నేర్చుకుంటే ఉపాధ్యాయుడు ఏమి చేయాలి? The correct answer is option B. Teacher asks for learners' needs. Every class is different. A teacher should adjust teaching based on students' level. Role of teacher in classroom. తరగతి గదిలో ఉపాధ్యాయుడి పాత్ర ఏమిటి? The correct answer is option C, facilitator. Teacher guides students instead of controlling. Helps students learn by themselves. Most important challenge for a teacher. ఉపాధ్యాయుడికి అత్యంత ముఖ్యమైన సవాల్ ఏది? The correct answer is option B, make teaching joyful. When learning is enjoyable, students learn faster. A happy classroom improves results. Please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.